1.
Welcome. In this video, I'd like to speak about newsjacking. Newsjacking expert for hire. Newsjacking is connecting your business, talent, product, service, expertise with the trending news and get massive coverage for your business. The results can be immediate surge in traffic to your website, create a buzz around, and increase sales dramatically. Overview. Journalists, reporters, media outlets are looking for reliable sources or a perfect story to fit their requirements. If they get a good source, reliable source, they interview them, ask them for more info, and get it featured if it suits or fits their requirements. What newsjacking can do for my business? You may wonder and ask this question. What newsjacking can do for my business? Newsjacking can save you thousands of dollars in advertising if done correctly. Most of the businesses in the world are using this strategy or hired someone to do this on behalf of them. Consistency, perfect timing, and right content is the key. About me. See, I personally won 5 opportunities in a span of 1 year. That too in my free time without even seeking it. It came to me organically and naturally. I have won 5 opportunities for myself using newsjacking strategy. Got featured in Yahoo News. See, this particular day there was a big surge to my website. 10k visitors a particular day. I was forced to upgrade my hosting account due to that. Google News, one American radio, one national TV channel, and one entertainment website. Okay, that in a span of 1 year. All this happened, most of the interviews happened either on phone, Skype, or email. And I was very responsive. I gave maximum replies to their question and whatever sources they asked me, whatever resources they asked me for. Newsjacking results. Results vary depending upon business, industry, or product. It can be online buzz. That means people talking about your product. Massive coverage. Okay, sometimes you may get featured in TV, radio, magazine. Okay, news media like BBC, CNN, ABC, Fox News. It is possible. Okay, nowadays all media it's on internet. Okay, people are looking for sources in Twitter, Facebook, Google groups. Okay, what to say, journalist groups. Okay, there are big groups there. I used to hang out in these groups where reporters, journalists hang out. They are looking for reliable sources. Okay, we do interact, engage with them. So they come to know who is the expert in that particular niche. If they come to know that you are an expert in that particular niche, they'll send you an email immediately when there is a requirement. Okay, so I do get random emails on daily basis. See, not all businesses can be connected with a growing trend. That should be a big potential and it should look naturally and organically. If the product or service is good, it will naturally attract attention. I know that most of the people are new to this, but still you can Google what is newsjacking and understand what it is all about. Okay, what is the cost? Based on my past experiences, I believe there is a big potential which can benefit small business owners, companies, artists, certain products, services, expertise. I need to analyze your business first to connect with the trend. Contact me for the same. Which industry get maximum opportunities? Okay, you may wonder and ask me which industry get maximum opportunities, if not industry, which niche or which expertise? See, I can give you an idea. Doctors, lawyers, therapy, women's health, anonymous nature, adult, gambling, education, entertainment, travel, luxury, fashion, university, computer expert, software, and certain expertise are in big demand. See, I get lot of inquiries for this particular group on daily basis. Okay, these kind of topics are very popular, and if you have expertise in any of these topics, directly ping me with your what to say with your story, with your nature or description of your business, few images or video about it. Okay, we can help you to get an opportunity. If there is a growing trend about it, if someone is speaking about it, we can connect with that trend. We always consider it as a hit or miss game only. Okay, we always consider it as a hit or miss game only, sometimes a small gamble. Okay, that is way I look at it. I don't know what others consider about it, but that is the way I consider it about it. If your content fits with the growing trend online, it gets massive coverage, so that you know what you're doing about. Pure luck and timing. Majority of these media outlets are from Europe, North America, Canada, Australia. Journalists or reporters are looking for reliable sources 24/7 for certain topics. We can't predict when a trend connecting your business will break out. Okay, see, if you have a personal connection, if you have a relationship with a journalist, reporter, media outlets, you can try in that way. But I am speaking about natural and organic opportunities which can work for you, provided the timing is right, you have pure luck, and they are looking for the relevant content to connect with the breaking news. Okay, again I'm telling you, it's a small gamble, it can miss opportunity. Example, it is similar to Facebook trends or Twitter trends. See, for example, you heard about Facebook trends. That means when the Facebook on the right sidebar, always you could see few news. See how it breaks about. A guy initiates a casual conversation or event. He speaks about something. Immediately, few people jump to that particular conversation. People are using the same keyword, that same phrases again and again. It becomes a trending conversation. It may become a national trending or international trending conversation. It's pure luck. Okay, that's how Facebook algorithm uh, analyzes that. Okay, even Twitter also. Someone tweets about a hashtag. Okay, some few guys tweets about the same hashtag. Within hour it becomes a trending topic. I mean, within minutes it may become a trending topic. That particular hashtag may become popular. That particular trending topic may become popular. See, that is the way online media is working now. Everything has gone the internet route. Okay, even some people are going through traditional route. That is the way things work on internet. Hope you're getting a small idea about it. You can do a Google search if you need more info. But I think this presentation is not enough. A guy will initiate a conversation about a particular topic. Later, a group of people jump into the conversation. It becomes a trending conversation on social media. I mean, like Facebook, Twitter. You have seen this many times. So that is the way it is working. And the people take advantage of this trend by connecting with similar business relevant to that trend. Contact me. We can help you if we find some potential to connect with the breaking news. You can get massive sales, say up to 1000k sales, only due to that trend or massive coverage. No advertising budget, nothing. Just we are connecting the trend with the breaking news. That means right content for the right time. Surge in traffic to your website, online buzz, results may vary. Information needed from you. I need the nature or description of your business, industry, product or service. Email me these details, few images or videos about it. Okay, because I saw a big potential in this particular trend or activity because it worked for me in the past, that too in my spare time. If see, so many times we have seen that, see, there is a big potential opportunity. There is a potential to get my lawyer or doctor or any particular industry to get feature for that particular news. But I could easily see that opportunity slip by because I never find a suitable person to connect with. So you can make best use of that opportunity. You should be available or make an arrangement soon when I alert you that a journalist asking for more info or ready for interview. Suppose if they ping you, they ask, see, where your deadline is only 1 day, deadline is only 5 hours, deadline is only 6 hours. You should provide me the relevant info, follow up immediately. Otherwise, the opportunity will slip by. Okay, you should be proactive. You should be highly responsive. Okay, provide all the resources or information they are asking for. So that is the way it works. Consistency, pure luck, and timing is the key. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.